What's up, guys? So today what we're going to do is we're actually going to install a fuel sump. So this little bugger right here will be getting installed on Sabrina. Just basically it's supposed to help with the fuel pickup. Duramax is notorious for the quarter tank issues, and this fuel sump is actually supposed to help out with that. As soon as we get that installed, in a later video, we will actually be installing our Fast 165. And then as soon as that gets installed, it's heading over to Siskiyou Diesel to get the transmission built with some Coast parts, and we will start going from there. So as always, some of the tools we're going to be needing, we got our drill. We got a 3-inch hole saw. That's what my fuel sump calls for. So that's what we're going to be using. You guys, depending on what fuel sump you have, might have to have a different hole saw. It doesn't call for gasket maker, but I'm going to put some silicone on there to just help with the sealing of this, since it sits on the bottom of the fuel tank. And then whatever Allen wrench you guys need in particular for your setup. Alright, so I previously already drilled a hole to actually help the fuel get out of there. So I already kind of have a pilot hole, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drilling this 3-inch hole. Alright, so one thing that I didn't mention was sandpaper. Actually, let me check, make sure the camera's not jacked. So as I was saying, one thing that I didn't mention at the start when it comes to tools is sandpaper. I'm going to hit this with some sandpaper to try to smooth out some of these edges and get us a solid mating surface to go with. So I'm also going to hit a rag with some brake clean and start kind of wiping around that general area to try to clean it up some. Alright. So take this. Make sure you have it with obviously the groove aiming down, just so it seals. Alright, it started. constant pressure on it so it's not sitting there spinning. And actually, I just skipped a step that I planned on doing, so let me reiterate this. So the step I skipped here, we're just going to take this sealant and we're going to run a bead all the way around. Alright, try this again. Boom. Alright, that's pretty much it. Double check, cinch down. Cool. Thanks for watching.